What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well, guys. We're gonna go over our friend Harmony One. We're up about 16% on the day, guys. We're sitting on a market cap of 3.30 billion, 24-hour volume 584 million. On the month, we're currently up 60%. Absolutely incredible pump for Harmony One. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. Grab one of the incredible Visa cards, free cash back in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, as well as $25 just for signing up through my referral. So we're going to start here on the 1 hour time frame. So we've seen an absolutely beautiful pump all the way up to the 1.618 extension here, this blue line, up at 0.316. Now we've seen a little bit of sell-off, a little bit of consolidation, which is healthy, as we've had quite a significant pump here for Harmony One, and we're creating a bit of a bull pennant here. So if we measure our flagpole, this would be a massive breakout if it does break out of this pattern here, and would bring you up past the 2 at 35 cents, all the way up here to 36 cents. Now the thing about Harmony One is it can correct quite hard when it does sell off. So if we were to lose this level of support, 0.030, your next target here would be the 1.272, sitting about 0.287, and then I've dropped in this previous swing high. See how we absolutely blasted through this? So if Bitcoin were to come down, let's say Bitcoin comes down to 57K, then that's when you would see Harmony One come back down to retest the previous swing high at support sitting at 0.278. But if we can consolidate here and hold this level of support, hold the EMAs, we break through this pattern, your target's all the way up at 36 cents for our friend Harmony One. If we look here on the 4 hour chart, we are a little bit overextended from the 20 EMA, so it would be healthy for us to see some consolidation, maybe a little bit of pullback here, allow the 20 EMA to catch back up and use it as support. We can head up to the 2. You have the 2.272 for Harmony One coming in about 0.3772. I'm going to drop this. Oh, sorry guys. And I'm going to drop this price target down here. I'm not sure how it got all the way up there. But then you have the 2.618 coming in at 41 cents for Harmony One. So I'll give you guys some future price targets. That's probably where that price target came off, from this previous swing high down to our swing low. I'm going to stretch it out just so it's more visible here. And I'm going to drop in the 2 and the 2.272. So the 2 is coming in at 45 cents. And then the 2.272, if you take your fib from the previous impulsive wave and then we had our major correction and you pull it to the bottom, many of the coins are going to reach the 2.272, and for Harmony One, that's up at 54 cents. A lot of people are calling for Harmony One to reach $1, and from the current price up to 54 cents, it's only a 79% gain for Harmony One. So I think there is a good chance that we blow through that level and continue onwards and upwards towards $1. I think it is a possibility here, guys. If we quickly open up Bitcoin here, you can see with Bitcoin, we've had a little bit of a bounce. Now we may be able to hold this level of support, create a double bottom. Just grab my brush here. You have your bottom, you came up, it came down, second bottom. So if we were able to break that neckline, it would get us back above the EMAs. And if we look at Bitcoin here on the daily, it's healthy that we've gone through this correction because we're allowing the 20 EMA to catch back up to the candle. So if we can consolidate at this level and we hold the support of the 20 EMA and we bounce, we're looking strong for continuation. We got a little bit overextended. We had an absolutely massive pump. My apologies, guys. We had an absolutely massive pump for Bitcoin from this low here of 66%. So if we hold this level of support, really it was a small correction, guys. It was a correction of so far about 9%. We bounced off the 20 EMA. We're good to go for continuation. But if we do lose it, that's when we target 57.7 as support. But I do think there's a good chance we bounce here off the 20 EMA for Bitcoin. So we'll finish off the video for Harmony One. Do keep an eye on this bull pennant here. Your breakout target's all the way up at 36 cents. If we lose the level of support, if we lose 30 cents, do target 28 and 0.278 as levels to bounce, and incredible opportunities to put some buy limits if you want a dollar cost average into your trade. For Harmony One, you could put one at 30 cents, one at 0.287, a buy limit at 0.278. and you could put a buy limit probably down at this swing high here at about 0.263. But it's not financial advice, guys. It's just a strategy that I use for trading, dollar cost averaging, and it works incredibly well. Big shout out to the Discord, over 1,000 members, guys. We're posting chart patterns, breakouts, incredible way to stay ahead of the game as a trader. It's the price of a coffee, $3.50 USD. You can sign up through the Patreon. It's over 1,000 members strong. All right, guys, check out crypto.com, smash the like button. You can also follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.